finding a right location for your quick service restaurant is key to the success. The good location can make or break your business. Friends, my name is Dr. Samir Kunkolikar, author of the book Feed the Entrepreneur. Right now on a mission to help 1000 entrepreneurs to set up their own quick restaurant and become financially free. So basically, when you want to set up a new quick service restaurant, you have to consider the 7 points. When you meet the 7 points, then you can set up your own restaurant, and that restaurant will flourish and become successful very fine, very easily. So friends, number 1 point is in any city there is a point called as a happening place. So find out which is a happening place in your city or in your area or in your town where there is a high footfall, where number of people going to the restaurant are high. That will be the good place. So number 1 is a high footfall area. Number 2, your restaurant should be visible to the lot of people. मोर द विजिबल बेटर इट इज. जैसे हम कहते हैं जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, तो आपका रेस्टोरेंट जितने लोगों को दिखेगा द मोर द विजिबल बेटर द इट इज. तो नंबर 2 पॉइंट इज अ हाई विजिबिलिटी. Number 3, you have to see it should be the high convenience for all the people surrounding. Better the convenience, more people will come. Okay, more the people you solve the problem, more people will stick to your restaurant. So your third point is a high convenience. Number 4 point is a high complementary businesses. Any business there is a competition, but you have to check the place where there is a lot of complementary business, not a competition. For example, if you are selling like we sell burgers, fries, hot dog, the tasty meal. But if we set up like Ambika Hotspot in a place where a lot of other restaurants like people selling smoothies and other traditional food, our restaurant can have a more customer coming in. Like restaurant from the customer from those places likely to come more in our restaurant. At the same time, if there is a complementary businesses like IT park, okay, there is a mall nearby, railway station, airport, okay, the sports ground, the gymnasium, the likely to have more people coming to our businesses. So complementary businesses are a boon to your location. Next, the 5th point is a right infrastructure. Any restaurant required the right area, okay, the supply of water, uninterrupted electricity, the place to take out provision for the exhaust. Okay, so you have to select, check the place which has all the facilities. So right infrastructure plays a major role. The 6th point is your place should be growing place, not degrowing place. Every area, if you see, it has a 2 possibility. Either it is a growing, okay, or it is a degrowing. So you have to always see the place which will support you to grow your business. More it has possibility of growing, the more the residential buildings are going to come, more the commercial places are going to come. You have to select that place which has high future growth. And the last point, the important, is affordability. Don't select a place which is okay but a high rental. Select the place which has got the right rental. You can justify the rental. That place you have to select it, because more your revenue, less your expenses, more is your profit, and this is key to your success. So friends, these 7 points plays a major role in the success of your business. So while selecting, see that all these 7 points are being taken care of. There are some points which you can negotiate and some points you cannot negotiate. So friends, all the best and good wishes from Dr. Samir Kulkarkar. If you like this video, do share with your friends and people who like to build their business. And also don't fail to click the bell icon, so whenever we put a new video, you are the first person who will receive the notification. And because knowledge is power. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.